Welcome to another Conversational AI Cloud feature highlight. Today, we'll be looking at setting up our out-of-the-box web chat component and adding it to a demo website. We offer our customers different ways to get our products out to their end users as fast as possible without having to compromise on quality. We do this by offering an ecosystem of standardized integrations and components that require as little technical knowledge as possible. We're going to be taking a look at web conversations, our ecosystem of web-based components. We'll be making a few minor adjustments to an existing configuration, and we'll add it to a small demo code base. Afterwards, we'll be testing out our web chat interface to see if it works as we expected. The first thing you see when you log into web conversations is you're presented with an overview of all of the configurations that you have available for yourself in your environment. For today, we've prepared a brief demo environment for this feature highlight. So if we click on that, we're presented with the actual web conversations configuration UI. And what we're immediately presented with is our chatbot configuration as it stands right now. And we're greeted with the welcome message that we have configured. Just to briefly elaborate on that, if you go to configuration, event messages and events, here you can select the Conversational AI Cloud onload event, which is coming directly from your CMS environment for the content that you have defined. And what this piece of configuration does is whenever one of your end users opens up web conversations, this is the event that will be triggered in Conversational AI Cloud. And this is the proactive message that you'll send out to your end users. For now, we're going to be leaving that as is. We're actually going to be changing the title, the subtitle, a few colors, and we're going to be enabling feedback. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to text, titles, and then here, we're going to change this title to Conversational AI Cloud feature highlights. We're going to be leaving the subtitle as is, but we are going to be adding an exclamation mark. And if we save that, then we can immediately see the changes reflected here in the preview window. Now I think our colors are feeling a bit off. So if we navigate to UI elements, chatbot, theme colors, then here we're presented with the primary colors, which we're going to be changing one of the primary colors to a color code for red. And again, immediately you see the changes reflected in the preview window. We're going to be changing the background color to a bit of an off-white, making sure that we provide a bit of contrast to our end users. There we go. And last but not least, we're going to be enabling feedback, which is as simple as navigating to feedback and toggling the thumbs up, down feedback switch. And for this one, we actually have to save it before it's shown in the preview. If we then save, then we see that the feedback option has become available for us, and the on hover uses the primary color that we configured. Now that we've made some changes to our web chat configuration, let's export the code snippet by clicking on the Export Code button. And what we've done for this demo is we set up a small web page without any additional content on it. Keep in mind that when you want to add web conversations to your own web page, all you have to do is export the code, add it to your code base, or share it with whomever maintains your web page. So if we're taking a look at the screen again here, then if I click Export Code and then navigate to a small code repository that I've set up locally, I paste it in. All I have to do is save. And if I navigate back to the web page, then what we see here is we're presented with the chatbot. If I click on it, it matches the styling that we just configured, and we're greeted with the welcome message that we configured as well. And from here, I can interact with it based on the content I have defined. So here I'll ask about returning one of my orders. We'll see that start processing. We're immediately presented with dialog and a few options to help us out along our way. In this demo, we looked at CM.com's standard web chat component. We customized a few of the settings to create the look and feel we wanted. And we added the widget to a demo web page, all without writing a single line of code. Make sure to check out some of our other feature highlights, and thank you for your time.